Okay.
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 Aspetta, farò.
Can you
Aspetta,
see?
farò.
Big girl. Big girl things. Clock it, clock it. Clock it. So guys, good morning. School has started. So we and baby are at school. Masalu. Can you see everybody with bed? Dove metti? Su al letto?
Sì, letto.
No? Vai. So guys, sorry guys. So I have taken baby Ale to school. So right now I'm going to walk. So that is it. Have a nice day, everyone. See you guys later. Okay.
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 Ciao, grazie mille.
Grazie.
Alla prossima.
Ciao. Hello people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger Days in Italy. Clock it, guys. So guys, I want to make our lunch. Guys, from now on I want to be making my vlogging my video. My camera will be up, I don't want to be making turning my I don't want to be turning my camera again upside down, because I'm not even having views. Let me try, for 2 months, let me try keeping my camera up whenever I'm vlogging. So let me see whether YouTube will start pushing my video, and let me stop making thumbnail, wasting time making thumbnail, stay there making thumbnail. So it's taking a lot of time, so that anytime I want to post video, I will post maybe 3 times in a day, 4 videos in a day, or 3 videos in a day. So that is it. And also, so that if I want to upload for my Facebook page, I'll upload. Facebook will want video like this, and YouTube is like this, or some people are making, but the one that is going in YouTube is going viral, easily when you keep your camera on. So for at least for 1 month or 2 months, let's see how it will be. So that is it, guys. Thank you, my subscribers. I really appreciate when I am 17K. Okay, guys, thank you, and my God bless you. So that is it. I said I will be bringing more videos, more goodies, family vlog, storyteller, don't worry. And I'm up I go to put one, and now I'm using my new phone, my birthday gift. More they will win this time around. Yeah. So that is it. Like some period. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our lunch. I'm vlogging now, keeping it upside down because I have baby Alice video, you know, the day they started school. So I want to complete the video, then I will post it, then I will stop keeping my camera on this. Like it. So continue watching. We'll be cooking pasta with prosciutto cotto and pomodoro. Okay, baby, let's want with tomato. Okay. So we have this for our conditions. I wanted to make this prosciutto cotto with piselli, but since baby Alice wants with tomato with pomodoro, we'll do it for him. Okay, so let me add water. I thought for a new phone.
Mommy, what's it done? What's it done?
Bring it to, I think it too. Don't you record? No.
Mommy, you're fat, Mommy.
What put this in the camera?
Mommy, you're too fat.
Wait, let me put it too.
Come on.
Don't worry, let me put it to them. Open it. Oh, yeah, me.
Mommy,
See if I can see.
Mommy.
No, that's where back. That's why my video. I will slap you here now, eh? I'm using this tomato. Let me get prosciutto. Anything. Which pasta can you use? Questo. O questo. Facciamo questo. This one is small, no issue. Spaghetti no, because yesterday it's
Qui.
What you see? What do you want? The way you do prosciutto, yeah, bring it.
No.
Give it here. Come bring the pasta.
Okay. Let's go. Let's do it.
Why are you putting it in the fridge? You're going to use it.
I know, I know.
Is the video still going?
See.
Like this? Huh?
See.
Suppose this thing every day. Keep quiet. No, you're not holding pasta again. You're not holding prosciutto again.
Pasta.
Okay, I want this one. With sugar. Vieni a fare una foto. Come on, snap picture. Come on, fai foto, mamma.
prepared it to clean.
So that is it, guys. So it's ready. Cut. Immediately. This is baby's food of Bono with amala. So guys, Angie is preparing our dinner. Bella. Cosa faccia?
Mi fa vedere il suo.
Posso così? Ma non è che si vede tanto così.
Non è.
Aspetta, farò.
Can you see? Big girl. Big girl things. Clock it, clock it.
No, mommy.
Clock it.
My pasta. See. Pasta in Italian now. My flour, my dough, yes. Today I added garlic, ginger, and the nutmeg. What did I add again? It come out so tasty. I love the taste, you know. So that is it. It's so good. Because I watched one lady in YouTube. She know how to bake very well, meat pie, Nigerian meat pie. So I saw her adding ginger. Ginger is the yellow one now. Ginger, not alio, not garlic. Eh? Yes, ginger. Yes. I added it. It come out so. So that is it. Meat pie now. So come and book your meat pie, small chops, you know. Come and book. Bacon, you need a book meat pie. Bacon, I'm begging you. So that's why we want you guys to do summer things, you know. Bacon, be a book, and why you bacon, be a book, bill. What can I make meat pie now? More than that. What do I meet by you? What do I meet by you? What if you make the meet by you look and come? You know? Because concord, I'm doing it with love. Concord. Love it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ciao.